Hey, Danny. Spoke with you directly a week and a half ago. You were in the office. You were a little bit busy, but gave me the email and told me to title it Attention Danny, the video regarding your website. So here it is as promised. My name is Lee Terbianic, and I was doing some research in your area. Came across your site and figured I'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you can do today to beat out your competition and bring in more organic searches, which is more quality leads coming into your site. So, in this video, I'm going to speak about 3 major things, and that is content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is anything that is written on your home page, and Google likes to see around 1,500 words of content on a home page. That'll give enough information to your viewers and also to be able to tell Google, excuse me, what it is you exactly want to rank for. So, I do like your layout. I like your little logo you have going on here. It's very cool. You do have a good navigation. You have your services listed here in drop down. That's very good, so you can get your keywords in on each page. A gallery, testimonials, about us, contact. I would like to see a contact form submit right here that allows clients to convert very easily. Just a quick one, a name, maybe a phone number and a message that allows them, they know they want your services. They can easily do that rather than trying to look and find out where to fill it out to contact you. Sends right to your email. I like your click to call button. That's huge, so they can call you. However, I'm not seeing many pictures and I'm not seeing a lot of content. I don't see a map or a site map either. That's big in the eyes of Google. Now, I did a quick search for mold removal, Miami, Florida. So as we go down here, you see precisionmoldremoval.com in first place, and you are not on the first place or first page anywhere. So what I wanted to do was go and see what kind of content they had. Not a bad layout here, same kind of thing, but they're missing the contact form, but we're looking at the content. So content here, some more content, a little more video, some more content, couple more videos, more content, more content, more content, a site, they have a map, they have a site map down here. They're doing things a little bit better and telling Google a little bit more information than you guys, so that's why these guys aren't doing everything necessary, but they are doing the most out of everyone at this point. But that's okay. We can change that and fix that easily. So let's go back to this search. As you can see, this is the Google My Business section or Google Map Hacks. And I do not see your guys' business showing up here right now. But what ranks you in this section is called citations. Now, a citation is your business name, the address, and phone number listed in directories all over the web, like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, Facebook, BBB, MapQuest. Those are all citation sources. So I wanted to see how many water, mold, and fire had to gain this top spot. So I have a tool I use called WhiteSpark.ca. It's a local citation finder. And I plugged in their information, and they have 42 citations. That's very beatable. But as you can see, this will show me where they're getting them from and the citations. So Bing, Yelp, Crunchbase, Patch, Manta, Merchant Circle, Chamber of Commerce. And these are all submittable, so we can go and submit your business if you don't have them already. But they're not created equal, so Bing.com, 93. Yelp, now we know these. We know that they're popular, they're very well known, so they're going to be powerful. So 93. Yelp, very well known, 93. Crunchbase, known, 91. Chamber of Commerce, 58. As we get down here to these ones, look at Panama Magazine, question mark, question mark. These will hurt you more than help you. So be careful what kind of citations you have linking to your BitGMB, because they might just hurt you more than help. You want to go after the quality ones. And I suggest getting 100, 200 for your listing, beating these guys out, and that's also going to get your name out there in more directories so people can find you. You got to think, Google wants to put the people who are in the most places, because that means you're the most trustworthy. They're not going to put Joe Schmo up here in first place if he has one citation and that's it, right? They're going to put the guy who has all those citations, who's everywhere and has his name everywhere and a little piece of everything. So that's a little tip for you. Now, down to this organic section. This is the most important section, and this deals with your website. And what ranks you here are backlinks. So backlinks is when another website links back to your website. And these you want relevant backlinks pointing to your site too. You don't want Pizza Hut giving you guys a backlink because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You'd want other mold removal companies or blogs written about mold removal and mold remediation or crime scene cleanup, linking back to your site. That's going to transfer a lot of power. So I have another tool I use, and I plugged in your site, which is rapidresponserestoration.com, and this is going to show me everything on the back end, your UR and DR numbers, how many backlinks you have, the keywords that your site is ranking for, and the traffic. So you have a 20 and a 0.3. You have 111 backlinks, but that's telling me they're not that strong because this is a 0.3. This is the number that represents how strong your backlink profile is compared to others. So out of your 111, you only have 15 that are giving you any power, which is explaining why your traffic looks like this and why you're not on the first page for any keywords. But let's look at your keywords. So rapid response, most of your keywords are people that are looking for you directly. We want to focus on these general water damage restoration. These people that are typing this in, this is going to show the volume, how hard it is to rank, and the traffic you're getting. So we want to target these keywords and put them in your content because we know people are typing them. So water damage, you only got one. Mold inspection, you only have one. Emergency response, that's not even in your area. Mold inspection, Pembroke Pines, that's a good keyword right there. But now let's look at your competition. Precision mold removal, Miami. Now this is just his Miami page. So he's got an 18 and 34. He's very beatable. But look at his keywords. Mold remediation, Miami, 300 searches for that. So say you want to say, all right, that's the keyword we want to target for our mold remediation service page and on our home page. We want this keyword. It's got 300 searches. It's got a good KD, meaning not a lot of people are trying to rank for it. So if you did want all these keywords, this is how you would do that. You'd put it right here like we did for this plumber. Plumber Woodland Hills, yours would be mold remediation, right? So it would say mold remediation Miami. That would be right here. You'd have it in a heading. Mold remediation, just like this guy, Woodland Hills Plumber. We built this site. See how all his services are listed, his drain stuff, even his locations that he wants to target. He's got his form submit. We got nice pictures, his keywords in a heading. We got him in the content. We got his picture saved as it. Woodland Hills Plumbers, Woodland Hills Los Angeles, Plumber Woodland Hills, all variations. So you're telling Google, hey, I want to rank for this keyword. This is what I offer. But you're sending mixed signals at this point, so Google is not going to let you be found for any of that stuff. But that's okay. We go in, do a little content revamp for your site, add all the keywords that have high volume, which are right here, high volume, low KD. So look at 380 for mold removal Miami, Florida, mold specialist Miami. And these are all people, these are quality keywords. These are people looking for a mold specialist in Miami. They obviously have a mold problem. Miami mold specialist, 350. There's almost 800 searches out of a couple keywords. So you could fit 10 to 15 keywords in 1,500 words. You could put one per every 100 words. So that's 15 you could target. You could fit 15 of these on your homepage alone. And then we power it with backlinks to your site, get you ranking, and boom, your traffic's going to start looking like this. Hold on, let's look at their overall. Oh, that's your overall. Let's look at their overall, your competitor, because that was just their Miami page. But they're doing that in every different location that they target and for every service. So we're going to go to their overview here. And instead of just finding out what their path looks like, we're going to go overview. Sorry. 1 second while this loads. And then we're going to go to the full domain. Now this is going to show us all his pages and every service page, everything he's trying to rank for. This is just for mold removal. So we'll go to domain with all of his pages. Look at his keywords. Look at his traffic. Look at the value he's getting. This could be you. You could be pulling this, and this is a monthly. Look at estimated value of your target's monthly organic search traffic, 23K, and that's probably a light number. This guy isn't powerful. It's just somebody has to be here. Somebody's got to take that spot. I want it to be you. Let me help you. Let's talk. Give me a call. Let's review what we talked about. The first thing was content. 1,500 words on your homepage with those keywords listed throughout, and all keywords listed for air duct cleaning. So I'd find all those: water damage, fire damage, mold removal, disinfecting. And then we fill up those pages with all those keywords. You'll start ranking, and then we can figure out which ones we want to target for real and add power to them so you show up first place. Second thing we talked about was this map pack, which is your name, address, and phone number listed in directories. I suggest getting 100 to 200 of these. I have very powerful ones I have access to. We could get you in this map pack quick. Third thing was backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at your website to show Google that you guys are the authoritative site. And if you do that, you could take over Google. Give me a call, 570-240-5257. My name is Lee. Shoot me a text. I'd love to hear what you think about the video, and I'm here for anything that you need. And have a great day, Danny. Thank you for watching.